Hey guys, it's me, Cody here. Guys, this is a vlog from the Psycho series. Guys, if you guys don't know, it is like it's not raining, but it's storming outside right now. So I'm actually playing Grand Theft Auto 5 right now. About to play Halo 4. It's a good game actually. You guys should play it someday. Yeah. Yeah. It's literally downpouring right now. If you don't know. I mean, it's like just tiny drops. So, for this vlog of the Psycho series, like this vlog is from the Psycho series I'm doing. So, guys, my favorite food is my favorite food is mac and cheese and ramen. I like all that stuff, guys. And guys, I'm about to tell you guys straight up. The Psycho series is real. So, yes, my brother, he is a psychopath. He does break my stuff. And yes, guys, I do stuff back. So, and now it's downpouring. Yeah, look at this, guys. This is legit. So, guys, there will be a vlog of Psycho Brother. Nice. Well, actually, no. It wouldn't be. Actually, yeah, it would. Guys. I'm thinking about doing a vlog about Psycho Brother kicks kid out vlog. Yeah. So, I'm thinking about buying a tent, you know. And I was gonna set it. Oh jeez, I was gonna set it in the woods, somewhere. I was gonna set it right somewhere over here. Or my other option was my other option would be over here. Cody, I'm vlogging, retard. I'm vlogging, do you mind? It's not even raining outside. Not that much! I'm perfectly fine! He's what now? So, I will come in when it starts downpouring. I came out here to vlog, not argue. I don't care. It's about time you leave. So anyways guys, I was gonna go buy a tent over the summer. And I was gonna put it in the woods. Or something, I don't know. But we'll see guys. Oh, I thought that was like an orange sun. But it's not. Like, my camera is getting really soaking wet right now. Probably. Well, pretty soon this will be going away. Maybe this might be all gone because the rain is kind of getting to it. I don't know. Guys, you want to see it to be downpouring on? Like, you guys can be downpouring on if you guys want to. Alright, I'm going to lift the camera up, and you guys are going to get downpouring on just a little bit. How that feel, guys? Pretty good? Did you guys enjoy that? Well, no, yes. Now my dad just made it worse. You know what? I'm gonna quickly get the mail. Maybe I should, guys. You know what? Alright, here we go. I'm going to go get the mail. And this is gonna be insane. 3, 2, 1, go! Holy crap, guys.